welcome back to Cookbook. I'm Komal Borasha and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Amritsari Naan, which is going to be a Chur Naan, and it is almost like a stuffed paratha, but just the technique is sort of different. So continue watching this video as I will be showing you how to make this naan without yeast and without the tandoor. I'm going to start preparing the dough first. I'm going to take in some Maida. For all the ingredients in detail, please don't forget to check out my description box. I'm going to next add in some sugar. Next, some milk powder. It is a very important ingredient, guys. Don't forget to mix that. Some salt. And some yogurt. And this is baking soda, so we're just going to add soda and not the powder, and I'm going to nicely mix it. We're going to mix it till you get something like breadcrumbs. Now you see, guys, the dough is slightly coming together. Keep kneading it. This will take around 15 minutes, guys. Kneading the dough well is the key to a perfectly soft naan. Now I'm going to add in some lukewarm water. Make sure it is lukewarm water and not hot water. Going to just combine this together. It is basically like pinching, guys. So keep pinching in your dough so it all comes together. And according to my consistency, I'm going to pour in a little more water. Your batter should be a little sticky. It's been around 15 minutes, guys. Just taking everything around from the bowl. And initially it is going to be sticky, but now you see it is all coming in control. Our dough is ready. I'm just going to apply or coat some ghee on top of it. You can even use butter, it's up to you. Tucking it all down, making it a perfect ball, and I'm going to put a cloth so the moisture is not gone, and I'm going to leave it to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, I'm going to start in my filling. I'm going to first start in with grated paneer. You can make this as a very healthy paratha also by substituting it with wheat atta. And then goes in some grated potatoes, onions, coriander and mint mixed. Mint gives a very good flavor. Red chilli powder. And some garam masala, chaat masala, and coriander powder. We have some green chilies, so if you're making it for kids, you can obviously cut it down, but green chili is amazing in this paratha. And I'm adding in some salt. Mix it all in. It's been around 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to have a check on my dough. You see it is nicely fluffed in, guys. So it's a good sign that your soda has been reacted well. Knead it a little. Sprinkle some flour. And with the help of a rolling pin, I'm going to start rolling this into a very thin roti, as thin as you can get. You see how thin my roti is? So now what we're going to do is we're going to coat this roti with some good amount of ghee. This does have a good amount of fat content, guys. But the only way to get your naan super flaky from top and soft from inside is when you add in ghee. And once this is done, I'm going to sprinkle some flour. Take the bottom half of the roti and lift it on top, press it. And the same goes in with the upper part. Just tuck it in nicely. And then we're going to start coating in back with ghee. And then going to start overlapping. You see guys, I'm just rolling it. Fold and roll it on top of each other and make it like a log. And you see this folding, you just pinch it in so it doesn't open up. And we've got a lot of layers like how you make it in lachha paratha. So this is done guys. I'm gonna cut this into equal parts. I'm going to take in one portion, dust it with flour, and with the help of my hand, I'm going to start pressing it, especially from the corners. So it is going to be thin edges and a thick center. I'm going to take in a generous amount of the filling we've made. And folded it in and make sure it is done very nicely and the filling should not come out. So all the edges should be completely sealed. Put very little flour at this point. And I'm pinching the edges so we get a good round shape. I'm taking some fresh coriander and pressing it in. And then with the help of a rolling pin, I'm going to start rolling it so it sticks completely to the dough. Roll this in your preferred size and your preferred thickness. I'm going to add in some black cumin or kalonji. And then I'm going to toast it on the pan. You can even use your roti tawa. Usually when we make naan, we put water on one side and then lift the tawa and toast it. That's generally how it is done, but this is for beginners guys. I've tried to simplify it and I can definitely assure you that the result is exactly the same or even better. After toasting one side with the help of a spatula, just lift and turn and toast the other side now. And to give that tandoori or the smoky flavor, I am going to start toasting a little to get those golden spots on the flame directly. And our naan is ready guys. You see how beautiful it looks. So what we're going to do is, as the name suggests, Chur Chur Naan, we're just going to crush the border. It is super flaky from top and extremely soft, so don't worry if it is going to flake out. Serve this Chur Chur Naan with bundi raita or your mint chutney with lots of raw onions in it, and I promise you guys are going to love it. Do try this out and would love to know your experience. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.